Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make 8D audios. So right now this is my file. Before that you should go to Google and type audioalter.com. The link will be given in the description box below. So once we type audioalter.com, we'll be going into a page like this. So we should click on 8D audio over here. In this site, we can only choose the formats of MP3, WAV, FLAC, OGG. Only these four formats it will support, and the size of the file should be maximum 20 MB. So right now I'm clicking browse computer, and we have to choose our folder which we want to convert into 8D. So now we should click on make 8D. Now it's getting loaded. After this, a page will come like converting into 8D. This may take up to 1 minute. So we will wait. So once it's done, it will show your audio file. The name of the audio file was successfully made 8D. So then we should click on download file. So once we click, the audio which we want to convert into 8D will be downloaded. If you guys like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.